Hello, we are at 85 Carl, and this is apartment 2. Right when you come in the front door of the apartment, come into an entry hallway. First room here is the bedroom. Nice tall ceilings, got hardwood floors throughout in this unit. There's the heater for this room. Do have a view out of the bedroom window, Suto Tower. So we're facing roughly southwest exposure out of this room. Okay, nice big closet with a sliding door. I just have it propped open at the moment. Couple of shelves, bar for hanging clothes. And I'd say in this room, you could comfortably fit a full or a queen size bed. Okay. There's the front door of the unit that we came in. Straight ahead off of this hallway is another large closet. Kind of wraps around here. Bunch of shelves. Quite a lot of space here in the hall closet. Okay, clawfoot tub, shower over tub, beige tile floor here in the bathroom. Mirrored vanity. Okay, bathroom sink, got a cabinet underneath there. All right, coming into the living room. Nice big beautiful bay window. Exposure is facing south here. The building does have a beautiful garden courtyard down below that is shared space. Electric wall mounted heater here in the living room. Have a coat closet there on the left and some beautiful built-ins, original built-ins. Decorative fireplace, okay? Does not function. And then this building is wired for Comcast, otherwise known as Xfinity, in terms of cable and internet, okay? Coming into the kitchen. This window is facing east. Have some beautiful built-ins here. The former tenants left this wooden rack and microwave in case anybody wants to use it. If not, that can go bye-bye. Okay, this window is facing west. Back door off of this unit goes down some stairs to that shared garden courtyard. Got some more shelves, gas stove, fridge, granite countertop, and some cabinets here underneath the kitchen sink. Okay, that is a quick look at the unit. Please feel free to get in touch, and I'm happy to set up an appointment with you and bring you by to take a look in person. Thanks so much for watching. And again, this was 85 Carl, apartment 2.